What's up, everyone? It's Elijah Bilel from Financial Anatomy coming at you with another video to help you take control of your financial destiny. This is actually a popular question that people have been asking in the comments section of my Venmo videos, which is essentially how do you replace a Venmo debit card on a teen account? In other words, a Venmo teen debit card. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. So this is actually a Venmo article that I will be sure to link to in the description. And the reason I have this article brought up is because there's not a procedure that you can use, like just press a few buttons on your phone like you can with a normal Venmo debit card. It's not associated with a teen account. You have to do something else, and the article breaks it down. So as we scroll down, we're going to get to the part where it says replace a lost, stolen, or damaged Venmo teen debit card. If you need a new Venmo teen debit card, your parent or guardian will need to request it for you. Make sure to let them know right away so that they can contact Venmo support on your behalf. Parents, learn how to request a replacement card for your teen. So when we click on this, it takes us to this page. So as we scroll down, we'll go to where it says report a lost, stolen, or damaged teen card. And essentially what the parent needs to do, not the teen, they can't do anything in this case, but let the parent know. But the parent that's associated with that teen account has to be the one to contact Venmo support, and then the agent will essentially order a replacement card for them and send it to the address on file or the address that the guardian or parent gives them. So the reason we're addressing this with this article is because I don't have any children, so I can't really show you what this would look like. But on the same token, there's not really much to show in terms of what it would be. It really wouldn't be anything different from my video on how to contact Venmo support. So I'm going to link that in the description and also the pinned comment. You would ask to speak with an agent and let them know you're requesting a new Venmo teen debit card. You can let them know that the previous one was stolen or damaged or whatever, and they'll be able to get you that replacement following the steps that we've outlined in this video. So that does it for this video. Any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And if you have more questions concerning Venmo, feel free to leave those in the comments too, because I'm going to start answering questions from the community in a video format like this. And of course, check out the Venmo playlist because there's a good chance I've already made a video on that question. But if I have not, I'll be sure to respond to it in a video format like this. I will catch y'all next time. Like the video, much appreciated. And don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny. And of course, subscribe because we can't forget that. I'll catch y'all later.